up, guys? Jackson here, and today we are back with another YTP, and this one is no exception because it's just called Ratatouille YTP, and I love the Ratatouille YTPs. I love the original movie, exceptional, and yeah, it's just amazing. Just looking at the screen right now, it's just Remy holding a book screaming, so what's not to love? So guys, and I'm stalling, let's just get into this YTP. And guys, if you love Ratatouille and all the YTPs that are coming, make sure you subscribe and leave a like, because we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers and I need all your guys' help to get there. But guys, enough stalling, let's get into this YTP. Let's see what this kitchen's up to now.
What's my problem? First of all, I'm a rat.
Rat? Is that a rat from GTA?
We're thieves, and what we're stealing is, let's face it,
it isn't stealing if no one wants it.
If no one wants it, why are we stealing?
Wow, who knew that Gru was a rat all along?
This much I knew. If you are what you eat, then I only want to eat humans. But there's something about them. They don't just survive,
What? What the heck?
They don't just
survive,
that? They
flop, flop.
Something about
was that a TikTok?
They don't just survive. They
skip it up and down.
Cousteau was right.
This is not realistic at all.
Yeah.
Just eat the cheese and sugar.
Amazing.
Ugh.
Each flavor was totally unique.
Hold on. What the freak was that?
Unique.
Oh, I couldn't get it, but you know, you can pause the video and see for yourself what it was.
But combine one flavor with another, and so.
What movie was that from?
So now I had a secret wife.
Secret wife? Did you say secret wife? Oh. I don't know what game was that from, but hopefully it's was that Mickey ears? Well, Remy's camera can't show everything, so I'm just blinking it out. Wait.
I'm in the sewer! No!
Wow, Remy just turned into the rat from Flushed Away. How many of you have you ever seen that movie before? So I definitely have.
I waited for a sound.
The fart.
A voice. A sign.
Sign.
Something. Why am I talking to you?
Oh, you just lost your family, all your friends. You are lonely.
Yeah. Well, you're dead.
Oh! Cookies. Chicken. Wait. What the? Shoes. Just put shoes in there.
The soap! Where is the big garbage, boy? Cookie!
Wait, is those shoes in there?
Stowe was right.
Oh, come on, not again.
What are you?
You are human.
Fire?
So I'm not talking as much. It's just nothing to talk about. This is just brilliant.
Morning,
Me,
little
when I
chef.
wake up for school.
Rise and shine. Oh no.
Oh.
Hi.
The FNAF
Is
theme,
that for me?
I think.
Disgusting!
He just yeeted it out his window. What the freak?
That's good. What'd you put in this?
Crack.
Where'd you get that?
Why did that make me laugh? Wait, is this whole scene's in reverse? Well, I've seen the original, but not the reverse one. Man, this whole Wacky is growing so far. He's popping up a dynamite.
That should do it.
Uh-oh.
Tell us good grudges without tasting it. Not the smell,
I don't know.
not the look, but the sound. The sound. Sauce. Oh, funny of crackle. Only great bread son do sauce. So you see,
Sounds sus.
We?
I am kind of sus too.
You lost me again.
Ah, yeah.
But that was interesting. Most interesting garbage I ever had. Hey, what are we doing?
What
That
are all
doesn't know
these
you're alive
faces?
yet. We've got to go to the colony. Everyone will be thrilled.
Yeah, but...
What?
Thing is, I kinda have to...
What do you have to more than family? What's more important here?
Well...
I don't know who that is, but it looks
hurt to
magical.
visit. You didn't think I was gonna stay forever, did you? I mean, eventually a bird's gotta leave the nest.
We're not,
not
nests.
laughing.
We're rats.
I'm not
we don't
laughing.
leave our nests. We make birds leave our nests.
Maybe I'm a different kind of rat.
Maybe you're a bird.
Maybe I'm a rat bird.
The band's really on tonight.
Rat bird!
Birds.
Birds.
Rats.
Chef Boyardee. I don't know what happened. One of you commented. Some of you commented said I should keep doing this, and some of you guys keep saying I should. I have 25 comments on one of my videos saying that I should keep doing this channel. Why did I do this? But TP. I mean, it was funny, right?
Boyardee.
touche.
I won. This goes
Your
William.
will. Oh, this is interesting. Mind if I...
Not at all.
He's your son. Sus.
Everything is just backwards. Everything's just backwards. Well, maybe he got kicked out of the restaurant, just like Buzz did. And
You're right,
Buzz had
Dad.
the COVID-19.
Who am I kidding? We are what we are. And we're birds.
Rats.
Rat birds!
Stop with the rat birds. That
Attention.
movie's old.
Attention!
Get out of
Everyone.
the new movie yet.
Right. Tonight is a big night.
Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs wasn't even around till Ratatouille, so I don't know.
No. Titus is coming, and he's going to order many toast.
Many toes.
Tight.
Get me get something! Where is it? Tell them what they order! Make it! No one!
What's that for? Is that the lead scene? I don't even know.
I did! We need to tell the customers something! Tell them!
Well, the truth sounds insane sometimes, but that doesn't mean it's not. The truth. And the truth is...
Good afternoon. My name is Russell, and I am a wilderness explorer in Tribe 54.
But this rat, he's the one...
Dad, I don't know what to say.
I was wrong about birds. And about you.
I don't want you to think I'm choosing birds over rats. I can't choose between two halves of
I'm
myself.
not talking about nests. I'm
Nests?
talking about butts.
Butts. Right. I was expecting some sort of. We didn't even see. I thought eagle. Oh, we did now. it. Can I just cut this out of the video?
Flavor. Yeah, right. Oh, amazing. Each flavor was.
That was Rats or Ratatouille YTP. Comment down below what you think of the YTP and comment down below your favorite part. My favorite part was maybe like the he's your salt. A bit, because that was kind of the funniest bit in the world. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching and smash that like button. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.